Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Oh my goodness, it's day 6 already. We are powering through this advent calendar. Where is door number 6? I found you. Oh, is that a clue? Is it going to be a Christmas tree? Yes. Oh my goodness. We have a Christmas tree. My Christmas tree. Alright, let's pull this out and there's quite a lot of parts in this bag. Let's open it up and take a look. I'm so happy we've got a Christmas tree. I needed one so I can put all the presents under there now. And we are starting with these slopey bricks. And I need to get them round the right way, just got to check. And now decorations time already. We're popping these little studs on here. Oh, I'm liking the look of this. I haven't made a Christmas tree like this one. I love how every year you get a different built Christmas tree. So they're all different. And here we've got another snotty brick with some cheese slope shapes going on. And look at this. Oh wow! I'm liking this Christmas tree actually. And there's the important star on top. I'm loving this. My cat's loving it. There's the presents. Emma, you come stand here too. Wow, day 6 gone. I can't believe it. Day 7 tomorrow, and I can't wait to see what's behind that door. See you tomorrow.